what's up guys? Okay, today we're going to be reviewing this dude, Logitech keyboard, Logitech k360. Okay, so this keyboard's mostly plastic, pretty cool. It's got a nice number keypad here, got all the home row and everything, the Windows button, Control Alt, Caps Lock tab. I really like this. It's just super convenient having to open your email. Just click on the button on the keyboard. Music, click on the button on the keyboard. All that is awesome. And then I have the. And then another thing is watching a YouTube video or whatever. Click this. Click pause. Unmute. You got a whole volume screen right here also, so you can do volume. It's a really cool keyboard off here. I really like it. The only problem I have with this is because I'm not a real fan of standing like keys like this. So that's the only flaw I feel with it. If you got that same problem like I do, then I'll put down a keyboard that you might like even better down in the description. Peace.